Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the IDM extension error in Google Chrome browser. After installing the IDM software and extension, it sometimes didn't work with the Chrome browser. To solve this issue, please follow the steps in this video. Let's start. Open Chrome browser and click the Extensions menu on the right side, top, and open Manage Extensions. Here, look for the IDM integration module. If it is found, then enable it by clicking the toggle switch and restart Chrome browser. If it is not found, then remove and reinstall the IDM software and restart the system. Then please check again inside the extension menu of Chrome browser. Or try this method to enable it. Open this PC and again open the C drive and look Program Files x86. Open that folder. Then open the folder named Internet Download Manager. Inside that folder, find the FIDM GCE xt.crx. Drag and drop that file to My Extension page in Google Chrome. An immediately prompt box will appear, shows Add IDM Integration Module. Click on Add Extension button and it will install automatically. Then restart the Chrome browser and it will work. If this works with your Chrome, then please do post a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.